Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Ummir ka jela Konrad ke sangma ka pratrik ujemang arjar phusan ulalit Jurip ya ka Surok rong baladapshna ka Pynïasoh ya ka shnong Ummir cha Mawkhanu ka balong ka Surok ka Pynïasoh Shek Administrative and Knowledge City ka badan Hanu Township. Hagari ka jing Jurip umirang baw la trawaru banthong deki ding cherry hasilenter ka road Surok.
But we just have to explore it because this is slightly low altitude. This is prevalent. We are here in the Ummir to Mawkhanu, this beautiful road, newly constructed road, which is of course part of the overall plan to build up the entire administrative and the knowledge city. Very important connectivity and a very important infrastructure, and as you can see the road has come up very well. And we intend to have the cycling tracks on the side, and at the same time, more importantly, we are discussing with the soil conservation department, and this year itself will be going for a massive plantation, almost close to about 8 to 10 kilometers of plantation will be done all along the road out here, and we will ensure that it's done in a uniform manner, so we'll have a straight line of, for example, the cherry blossom trees, so that it looks in a very uniform manner, or different species, local species also will be doing. So this will really create a proper view and a beautiful view along the road. And we are starting with this road, and this year itself, during the plantation season, which is now, we'll be planting these trees, and we'll be continuing this next year in other roads. For example, the PM Divine Road, which we expect to be completed by next year. We'll take up the project in that section, and also within the existing roads in Shillong City also, we intend to expand and have this kind of uniform plantation of trees, so that it gives a beautiful impact and a beautiful view of the city and the roads. Thank you. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Correct. We also have jacaranda.